If you're looking to kickstart your academic journey in the enchanting city of Exeter, Verney Street Studios is the perfect place for you. Choose from a selection of stylish studios, each featuring a lockable bedroom furnished with a plush bed and a dedicated desk and chair for chasing those academic goals. Conveniently store food and drinks with the fridge and freezer and seamlessly stream your favorite shows with high-speed Wi-Fi. But that's not all. Modern facilities include spacious communal areas and a welcoming courtyard, perfect for socializing and relaxing with fellow residents. Stay entertained in the communal TV lounge and keep active with access to the on-site gym. Speaking of location, Exeter College and the University of Exeter are both nearby, making your morning commute a breeze. Surrounded by cultural hotspots and lifestyle amenities, residents can savor culinary delights at local favorites like Enoodle and Dahan's Cafe and Food, perfect for cozy dinners or a quick, delicious bite. Say goodbye to grocery hassles with 168 Oriental Supermarket and Tesco Express nearby, letting you stock up on essentials with ease. Plus, save time and money with various commute options conveniently close to this stellar accommodation. So, what are you waiting for? Head straight to amberstudent.com and secure your ideal stay today at Verney Street Studios, Exeter.